Eating plums every day can be a delightful and nutritious addition to your diet. These succulent fruits, known for their sweet and tart flavor, offer a host of health benefits that contribute to overall well-being. From supporting digestion to providing essential vitamins, here are 7 compelling reasons to make plums a daily part of your diet. 1. Rich in nutrients, plums are a powerhouse of essential nutrients. They are a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as various B vitamins like B6 and folate. Additionally, plums provide minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and manganese. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining a healthy immune system, promoting bone health, and supporting various metabolic functions. 2. Digestive health. Plums are renowned for their digestive benefits. They are rich in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which aids in promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The fiber content also supports a healthy gut microbiome, contributing to overall digestive health. 3. Antioxidant properties. The vibrant colors of plums are indicative of their antioxidant content. Plums are rich in polyphenols, flavonoids, and beta-carotene, which act as powerful antioxidants. These compounds help combat oxidative stress in the body, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants are essential for reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Heart health. Regular consumption of plums can contribute to heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants found in plums collectively support cardiovascular well-being. The fiber helps in managing cholesterol levels, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure. The antioxidants protect the heart by preventing oxidative damage to arteries and reducing inflammation. 5. Weight management. Plums are a low-calorie and satisfying snack, making them a smart choice for those looking to manage their weight. The fiber content in plums promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, the natural sugars in plums provide a sweet treat without the need for added sugars or unhealthy snacks. 6. Bone health. Plums contain essential nutrients like vitamin K and manganese, which are crucial for maintaining healthy bones. Vitamin K is involved in bone mineralization and blood clotting, while manganese supports bone development and maintenance. Including plums in your diet can contribute to the prevention of osteoporosis and other bone-related conditions. 7. Blood sugar regulation. Despite their natural sweetness, plums have a relatively low glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. The fiber content in plums also helps slow down the absorption of sugars, contributing to better blood sugar regulation. This makes plums a suitable option for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to manage their blood sugar levels. In conclusion, making plums a part of your daily diet can offer a myriad of health benefits, ranging from supporting digestion to promoting heart health and providing essential nutrients. However, as with any food, moderation is key. Enjoying a variety of fruits as part of a balanced diet is the best approach to reap the maximum health benefits.